What is performance marketing, user acquisition, retention, all of it? There is so much fuss around these topics, and I'm going to clear each and every topic one by one. So today's topic is performance marketing. Let's get started. Welcome to Rocket. So in this video, I'm gonna actually present you a small presentation about performance marketing that will clear you each and everything that basically might be a confusion in your head or might be thinking what exactly performance marketing is, how you can approach it, and what is the scope or requirements when you actually apply for a job. So let's get started. Performance marketing. Let me give you an example of a businessman and a digital marketer. Let's consider first what matters to a businessman. For a businessman, results matter. Sales, leads, installs, subscriptions. They basically want the users to go to the end objective, the lower funnel, the end goal. Like you are actually a businessman. So you want people to do sales, like you want to make sales, right? But from a digital marketer perspective, they are day in and day out working on clicks, views, impressions, maybe in certain cases cost per acquisitions as well, but that is very limited. They are mainly focusing around the entire concept of clicks, views, or impressions. That is what you are basically paying to the ad platforms all day, every month, month by month. So businessman is looking for basically sales leads, basic end results. Digital marketer is paying for views, clicks, and impressions, all in all. Okay. So how does performance marketing constitute to any of it, and how does it actually map the layer between them? So in this performance marketing case, you pay for advertising. You, as the PPC guy or a digital marketer, you pay for advertising, but basically business pays for the results. Suppose I'm a businessman, you are an advertiser, you are managing my ads. I am saying you that listen, I will pay you 100 rupees per lead. Okay, bring me leads, I'll pay you 100 rupees per lead. I do not care about how much did the click cost, how much did the impressions was, how was the search impression share, were you losing on rank or budget, what is the click share, what is the average CPC, locations you're targeting. I barely care about any of the other matrices. What I care at the end of the day is results. That is what it all boils down to. So you pay for advertising, business pays for results. I'll pay for lead, you will manage clicks, impressions, average CPC, CTR, conversion rate. I might give you the option for landing page optimization as well, but that is at the end of the story. So let's say this is the guy, I will pay 350 INR per lead. And this is the digital marketer who runs ads to obtain cost per lead as 250 INR, which basically means what client pays minus cost per lead is equal to your basic profit. Whatever is left, you are earning. So you will always focus on reducing the cost per lead to maximize the profit. Although this is basic math, and I hope you got it. If you got it, before I say anything else, please consider subscribing to this channel. Moving forward, 350 minus 250 is equal to 100 INR. This is just an hypothetical example. So what the client is paying and what the actual cost is on the platform where you're running ads or whatever you're doing is constituting to be, the remaining is your profit, remaining is your salary, or whatever you can say, remaining is your commission. How to do performance marketing? So there are so many things under this umbrella. First, let's start with left topmost. Drive X results through CPC, CPV, CPM ad platforms. You run native ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, Amazon ads, whatsoever. Do whatever. Client will pay you for results. Drive 10 leads through CPC and then give that to the person who wants the business. You provide leads. Drive X results through CPC. So there could be a client coming to you that I want leads from Google and I'll pay you per lead. So if you are an industry expert, suppose you are an industry expert who has an experience in running ads for human resource like HR industry. So you have experience, you know that in HR the client, whatever the client is expecting, I can bring the cost per click or cost per conversion to, let's say, 200 INR. And now I'll say that I will charge 400 INR for lead. So this is a win-win situation, right? You know that this industry is working like that, which is one of the most important reasons why I do raw talks. I give you the guidance for industry experts on how and what they do and what best practices that they follow throughout the industry. So consider subscribing to my channel, and raw talks episode 1 is actually in the I button. Please refer to that. Also, the link is in the description. Second thing you could do is do SEO on lower funnel keywords, because at the end of the day, all that boils down to is, all that matters is the end result. So lower funnel keywords are more converting. We all know that. And creating copy oriented content. With copy oriented content, I mean copywriting or writing sales scripts, sales letters is what we are looking at. You could also possibly do email marketing with that copy. So, and distribute on other social media platforms, whatever you want to do. So this is another tactic that performance marketers do. Third thing is, ask an affiliate to become an affiliate to you, or become an affiliate, create and pitch your own audience. So we are going in a third person perspective now. So affiliates have their own network, affiliates have their own tactics, affiliates have their unique link. So they try to make their audience, build their audience and pitch their audience for certain products that they can sell. So affiliate marketing, which is not the synonym of performance marketing, it comes under the umbrella of performance marketing. Affiliate marketing is something that you can consider if you are a performance marketer. You can consider to become an affiliate of that particular brand, particular product, or you can consider other affiliates to join or collaborate with you to sell as a performance marketing strategy. The last thing could be tie up with influencers on coupons or commission basis, or with commission basis as an incentive. So influencers, you must be looking at social media very clearly. Influencers, what they do is basically have their unique coupons. So put this coupon Harsh 200 and get flat 200 rupees off, maybe like this. So these are an example for that allows brands to track which influencer actually got them what leads, how many conversions, how many sales. So let's say Daniel Wellington, which is one of the popular brand names, uses influencer marketing very heavily, and they tie up with popular influencers and give them their unique coupons or codes that they can use to buy the Daniel Wellington watches. So this is a way to consider influencers, collaborate with them, give them incentives, and track by the coupon. Let's move forward. How to do performance marketing as or considering a job. Okay, so we are hiring performance marketing executives for Flipkart. This is a post that I read on LinkedIn, and which is why I'm bringing this to you. And I want to tell you what matters as an experience from e-commerce as an example. Okay, so if you're an expert in digital marketing, this is requirement number 1. You need to have basic fundamental knowledge as or into digital marketing, and have a firm grasp on PLA DPA affiliate marketing. PLA means Google shopping ads, okay, product listing ads. What is actually there as a shopping ad on Google is considered to be product listing ads. So they are asking you to have good knowledge about it. Second, they want you to have dynamic product ads knowledge. So dynamic product ads means if somebody visits a particular product, they need to see this product wherever they go on the internet. So this has to be created dynamically, which is basically the purpose of remarketing. And when this comes into the picture, this is called as DPA, dynamic product ads. Last but not the least, this is one of the most important. You should have a quick grasp, strong grasp, and all the knowledge about affiliate marketing, because this is one of the prime channels that even the biggest of the e-commerce giants like Flipkart and Amazon rely on. Like they have the affiliate marketing game very strong. So you should have a grasp of how affiliate marketing works, how affiliate marketing is encouraged in that particular brand, and affiliate networks, how they are functioning, what are the matrices to be keeping tracked of. And this is what a performance marketing executive does day in and day out, and they need to possess a good knowledge of. I hope this video was insightful and resourceful, and consider subscribing to this channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. I will bring more content on such chaotic, abrupt, or vague terms again and again, over and over again, and clarify everything. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.